Toolbox Tour, my Snap-on Master Series. This is the white, red, and blue. Just got this box. Told you guys I would bring you another video with the Toolbox Tour update from my Snap-on roll cart. Start on top. Got the Mac screwdriver gun. Got the Milwaukee 1/4" M12. Got a Snap-on 3/8. Got the Milwaukee 1/2" mid torque. Got a couple of these DeWalt drills. I like DeWalt. Go in the socket drawer. We'll start over here. We got the Mac RBRT Starbit Torques. That's the part number. We got some Allen metric and SAE Mac RBRTs. 1.5 to 6 mil, 1/16 to 1/4. There's the part number. On the Starbit, it goes from T8 to T60. Over here, we got the Allen's 10 to 4, 1/8 to 3/8. And then we got the Allen Bar Speed, 1/8 to 3/8, 4 mil to 10 mil. These are pretty cool. They're in foam. Got the foam. You could take them out the case to make more room in your drawer. This Mac RBRT line is pretty sweet. If you haven't tried none, if you don't got a Mac dealer, you could go on their website. You could see a bunch of videos on YouTube how they work, kind of like extractors, but you can use these instead of using your regular Allens. I got some Snap-on Allens. The golds from 10 mil to 2 mil. Got some gear wrench torques. Got an inverted torque Snap-on. Use this on motorcycles. Got the Westling machine socket tray. I got an Icon 3/8 shallow drive sockets. They go from 1/4 to 7/8. Got some homemade front axle pullers to take off front wheels on Suzuki motorcycles, Hayabusas, etc. I work on motorcycles. I work on old classic cars. Work on my wife's Jeep, race car stuff, anything that comes in kind of like custom or something that people don't want to take to a shop to leave their prized possession laying around collecting dust. They bring it here to my garage and I'll work on it. This is to take off engines and swing arms on Suzuki's, Hayabusas. That's mainly what I work on, what I have worked on. Over here we got a 1/4" Sonic set impact. Goes from shallow and deep, metric and standard. 3/16 to 9/16, 4 mil to 15 mil. It's a good set. If I'm not mistaken, another company rebrands and put their name on it. Got a Mac 13-piece spark plug socket set. Got some miscellaneous Craftsman sockets. Got a Mac 19 pull-off wheels. Over there we got some 1/2" chrome 10 to 19 Mac precision torque sockets. We got 3/8 impact Mac precision torque. Goes from 10 to 24. Got some Snap-on shallows, 8 to 24 impacts. We got some metric swivel Snap-ons, 10 to 18. We got Mac precision torque 3/8 chromes from 6 to 19, deep and shallow. We got 1/4" Snap-on flank drive plus on Westling machine socket tray, shallow and deep. We got 1/4" semi-deep Snap-on FDX sockets. Those are brand new. I just bought those last week. Next drawer. We got Matco thin line wrenches. We got Matco standard length metric wrenches, 10 through 19. These are 6 through 19. We got some double box and Matco ratcheting wrenches, 10 through 19. Got a miscellaneous 7mm snap-on. We got some snap-on flare nut wrenches. We got some snap-on flank drive plus metric standard length wrenches, 10 to 19. We got some Icon wrenches. These are pretty cool. Watch the video, and so apparently the company that makes these for Icon is called Cabo, and they make them for a couple other companies as well as one of the main tool truck brands I don't have to mention. We got some adjustable snap-on wrenches. Those are the best adjustable wrenches you can buy. I wanted the 4-piece. My snap-on dealer only had the 2-piece, so I took those. We got some snap-on SAE flank drive plus wrenches, 3/8 to 3/4. And we got the Mac precision torque wrenches. It goes from 6mm to 32mm. Yes, 6 to 32. These are awesome wrenches. They're known for their offset, the I-beam style, super comfortable wrenches, awesome wrenches. Screwdriver drawer, start over there. Got some snap-on pry bars. They are in the old snap-on pry bar tray that I used to have. Each time I warrantied one up, they gave me the new style handle. Don't care for those handles. They slip on your hands when it's oily. Just horrible design, in my opinion. Got some cheap Harbor Freight picks. Got some snap-on 12-piece instinct screwdrivers. Pocket screwdrivers, pocket pry bar from Mac. These are pretty awesome, guys. Instead of using those guys, these get you out of a lot of jams. Got the 4-piece Mac pry bar set. Got the 42-inch pry bar in the back. Got the 12-piece Mac screwdriver set. 2-piece Mac panel popper. Got a Mac seal puller. In my opinion only, these screwdrivers from Mac feel a lot better and comfortable than the snap-on Instincts. Both great screwdrivers. Those are my favorite, but I like the way these feel in my hands. Over here, we got some 3/8 Mac wobbles, some 3/8 Mac locking extensions, snap-on 3/8 extensions, 1/4-inch snap-on extensions, some Pittsburgh 1/2-inch impact chrome. I just bought this the other day for the 1/4-inch Milwaukee M12. Okay, moving on to the plier drawer. Got some Mac pinch-off hose pliers, some snap-on pliers, wire strippers, hose clamp plier, flank drive. This is that flank drive plier. Everybody got that set. I got a Mac set over here. My Mac dealer told me these are not really the greatest pliers. They're cheapy made, but they were $100 for the whole set, so I bought them. Mac does sell better pliers. Nipex plier, Cobras. Got a long channel lock. Got the whole set of Mac Anti-Vibe hammers. Snap-on 24-ounce dead blow snap-on. Soft hit hammer. So I like the Mac Anti-Vibe hammers, and I like the snap-on dead blows. I'm not biased to no tool brands. That's what I like. Not too much going on in this drawer. Got a 3/8 and a 1/2-inch Icon click style torque wrench. Seen a video on YouTube. And this Icon click style wrench was neck to neck with the snap-on. I don't use a whole bunch of this stuff. This is my home garage. This is my home box. So for what it is, that'll work just fine. Over here, we got a Pittsburgh oxygen sensor kit. We got a Matco 8-piece axle nut set. We got some Icon snap ring pliers. It's an 8-piece. We got a Mac caliper disc brake press set. We got this came with the Mac pinch off hose pliers. It's for your radiator. Different accessories. We got a Mac caliper press, battery charger, spring compressor. Got some Milwaukee drill bits. These were cheap, 24 bucks, Christmas time. Different bits, Milwaukee. Different bits, Milwaukee. Got a Mac magnetic pickup bundle. Got some snap-on metric T-handles. I'm missing number 5. Don't know where it's at. Someone stole it working on a bike. By the way, I'm gonna upgrade to the Mac drill bits, 1/16 to 1/2 inch, because they warranty the drill bits all the way down to 1/16. No questions asked. Got my ratchet drawer. Got a Craftsman 1/2 inch, it's been with me forever. Got a 26-inch Mac Flex non-locking access ratchet. Snap-on 17-inch 1/2 inch soft grip ratchet. Got a 13-inch Mac access locking flex head. Got a straight Mac access ratchet. Got a flex head non-locking snap-on. Got a 3/8 1/4 inch body roto head snap-on soft grip 1/4 inch snap-on. Got a non-locking flex snap-on. In my opinion, I like the way the Mac handle feels more than the snap-on soft grip. You might disagree, you might agree. I just like the way this feels better in my hand than the soft grip snap-ons. They're all good ratchets. I love them all. What we got over here? Just some electrical stuff. Basic electrical stuff. Power Probe 3. Power Probe test lead set. Some zip ties. Light. Battery cleaner. Spark plug gapper. Power drawer for my power tools. Astro light. Magnetic base. It's a pretty nice light. And that's about it. This is my first toolbox tour. I said I was gonna bring it to you from upgrading my tool cart from Snap-on. Got an oil drain on the bottom of there with some oil filter wrenches. This is the red, white, and blue. I will be doing an updated toolbox tour. Got something else in the works going on. Got a deal on it, and I rolled with it. I like Mac tools, Snap-on tools. I like my Mac dealer. He takes care of me. I buy some Matco stuff. A lot of it is rebranded, so I get what I get. Harbor Freight Icon line. I have very little of it. I don't not like the chrome sockets. I have that one socket set. The metal's a little soft on the chromes. I don't know about the impacts. Maybe I'll buy some 3/8 SAE impacts or 1/2 inch and try them out, see how they are. If not, I'll just get some from my Mac guy. And that's about it. Thanks for watching my video. This is my first toolbox tour. If you like, hit the like, subscribe. If you want to subscribe, I'll try to bring some more tool hauls weekly, bi-weekly. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.